여러분 안녕하세요. I'm Sienna. Today we're going to learn how to say have a nice day in Korean. In English, it's common to say have a nice day to someone as you are saying goodbye. That is because saying goodbye on its own can sound a little bit short and unfriendly. In Korean, it's okay to simply say 안녕히 계세요 when you're leaving. You can say 안녕히 가세요 if someone is leaving you. Both of these mean goodbye. If you want to wish someone a good day, you can say 좋은 하루 되세요. Another version is to say 좋은 하루 보내세요. They both mean have a nice day. Next, I'll explain how to use the phrase with different levels of formality. Before I do, I wanted to let you know where you can get a downloadable lesson about this phrase. We have a downloadable PDF resource with examples that you can use for practice. I'll put a link to that resource in the description. And please be sure to like and subscribe if you are enjoying this lesson. It helps us know which videos you found most useful so we know which ones to continue making. It's important to use the appropriate form of the phrase depending on the situation. While 좋은 하루 되세요 will be appropriate in most cases, you might want to use a more formal expression if you're saying goodbye to a teacher, an elder, or an employer. This would be 좋은 하루 되십시오. If you're saying this to your employer, you could say 안녕히 계십시오, 과장님. 좋은 하루 되십시오. This means goodbye and have a nice day. Alternatively, if you are saying goodbye to a good friend who has just bought you coffee, you would use the friendlier form. You could say 커피 고마워. 좋은 하루 보내. This means thanks for the coffee, have a nice day. In conclusion, today you learned how to say have a nice day in Korean. Try it out the next time you're saying goodbye to someone. We look forward to seeing you next time. 좋은 하루 보내세요, 여러분.